guys, welcome to Mass Knowledge. Today we are going to see i7s TWS, the clone earpods. Okay, it's clone, okay, for the iPhone. First let's look at the packaging. Okay, so you can see battery life, it can answer calls, music, there's a microphone. Okay, now look at the back. Okay, you can see that it's wireless version, speaker impedance, microphone sensitivity, frequency. The battery capacity is 65 to 950 mAh. Okay, transmission distance, playing time is about 5 to 6 hours, so you can listen music for 5 to 6 hours. The charging time is 1 to 2 hours. Standby time is awesome, 100 hours. It's compatible with iOS and Android device. Okay, so next we are going to see how does this clone earpods work. So now we are going to check out how does this earpod works. Okay, so to turn on, press and hold multifunction key for 4 to 5 seconds, then the blue light lights up. Okay, there we have our blue light. Okay, to turn off, press and hold the multifunction key for 3 seconds, then the red light holds up. Okay, let's see. Okay, I don't see any red light coming up here. It's only blue light. Okay. To answer a call, when a call comes in, you will hear a beeping on your left earbud. Now press the button. Okay, you can hang up the call, reject, redial, activate voice dialing. Okay, you also have music playing controls, play, pause, play next song, decrease and increase the volume. Okay, so to play and pause, press the button on either earbud to play or pause the music. Okay, so let's look at the earbuds first. Okay, let me on it. Okay, it's in blue. Okay, so this is the earbuds. This is the earpods. You can see it's exactly like Apple's earpod. Okay, it doesn't look cheap, but it has a button. It's not touch. Okay, as you can see, it's not touch. Look at this. Okay, this is also same. So this is the button we will press for next and to stop a music or to answer a call. Okay, let's put it back in. Okay, it's not a good fit, as you can see. Okay, there's like a spring inside, so you have to put it, or maybe it's the other way. Nope, it's correct. Oh, so you don't have to push it in, you just, yep. So this is the red light. Okay, it's showing that it's charging. Okay, now let's try to pair it with our iPhone 12. Okay, the box is open. Let's go to Bluetooth. Okay, I don't see it coming yet. Okay, maybe we need the blue light on. Nope, it's not, still not coming. Okay, so to on, okay, so to switch on and switch off the earpods, okay, you have to press and hold it. Okay, this is off. Okay, you need the blue light to on it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. So it's blue. So I think we need to press both. 1, 2, 3, 4 up. So when you have this blue color light, that's when you can pair it with your. Okay, so that is unlocked to connect. Okay, fine. Boom, boom. Yes, okay. So that's how you connect your AirPods to this. So it's not the box button, not here, but it's kind of odd. It's here. So you have to press and hold this, and to off it, you press and hold this again for 3 to 5 seconds. Okay. So this is a clone earpod for iPhone. Okay, I've tested it. The quality is okay. Okay, not as like how Apple's AirPods are, but it'll do, and it's just 29 ringgit in Shopee and Lazada. So check it out, guys. It's worth your money. Okay, thanks for watching. Please support my videos and please subscribe to catch up with more of my iPhone 12 videos coming up. Thank you. Okay, guys, now you can see me playing the song. Okay, now I can pause and also go to next, and I can also less the sound. Okay, let's pause. Yeah, I can also activate Siri, if you can see. Okay, that's how you can activate the Siri from the earpods. Okay, you can also play and pause. You can also less the sound. Okay, guys, so to summarize this, okay, for who is this earpods, this clone earpods? So this is basically for guys who just want to watch YouTube, students. If you want a good bass and a good sound system, this is not the right one. It's just for traveling, so that you don't misplace it. Okay, to just get something cheap and just to listen on the go. Okay, guys, so please subscribe to my channel for more iPhone 12 videos and tech videos. Thank you.